Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
I am now going to show you how I'm using Pocket Option Auto Trader step by step from I check all the information I need till I take the trade. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, I have it both on desktop and cell phone. You find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now I'll jump over to the news so you can check there, and then I'll come back to the settings and all this good stuff. So we are now going to check the news for today. We go to Tuesday, today, we go down. Here you can see very easily where we are in the market right now. And very easily we can see we have dollar news right now, and it's going on for a very long time. I stay away from medium news and high news. Specifically stay away from high. Medium is also good to stay away from, so that means we are not going to doing any dollar trades in this video. So you don't need to use more time on that, just stay away from dollar. So as you can see now, we are taking the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, so we're staying away from the American dollar. And here basically how it works, you can choose between experience time. That means the time he's closing the trade, so 5, 15, 30, 1, 3 and 5 minutes. In this video it'll take 15 seconds, so don't take too long time to take a trade. Normally the strategies higher up works better with the lower, and the ones in the bottom works better with the ones in the higher. But I will use Alpha 1 safe for 15 seconds. Basically normally it's better from 30 or more, but I have a feeling that will do quite good. Also I'll set a trade of $1,000 each trade. Here basically you choose the start bid. If you use martingale, you need to think about that. But in my case, I'm just going to take one trade, so it doesn't matter that much. And I actually can turn off the martingale, but I'll have it on so you can see the settings. So here you see explanation for each and every martingale mode. I typically just use classic. Also here you have, this is also multiply. As you are bidding, for example, let's say bid $100, you get then 92% back, because I always choose the ones that have a higher percent. So that means you need 2.2 if you're using martingale, because otherwise if go a few steps you will lose money if you're not having 2.2. So 2.2 is what I use, and here you can choose amount of steps also. When it comes for this, I typically like opposite direction, because if the market move very strong in one direction and you have same direction, if you lose the trade, it's normally a reason for it. So then it's safer to use opposite direction, because then if you lose with a sell trade, he will go in for a buy, and if you lose then again with the buy, he will take a sell. So I prefer that one. Now we turn off that because we don't need it for this. Then you have something called compounding. Here you can use a percent of your balance on each. So as your balance is growing, he will then take a little and little more for each trade you do. So this is also something that you have a possibility for. Then max loss trick. Here you can put in how many trades in a row you will like. If you start losing many, then he will stop. Okay. Also you have cooldown. This is something that you use when you're losing a trade, because he's following then maybe a very strong move. Then it's better take a cooldown before he start to look for the next trade. So this is a safety measure. As I know I'm going to take just one trade, I'll put a $900, because I know I will make 920, so he will stop automatically when this target is reached. Also you have a possibility to put a loss limit. That is, if you're going out and you don't want to see your account blown, you can put a loss limit here and he will automatically stop when he come to that loss. So then now let's see how it goes. I will now start the bot and we'll see which type of results we get. As we know now, we are not trading under any news and we have the highest possibility to do good. So we now start the bot here now. Like I said, he's now starting to collect all the information he needs from the chart and all the information he needs from the indicators that he's using in the strategy, that using Alpha 1 safe on 15-second close and $1,000 trades. So now he chose to take a sell trade. We see we are in a very strong downward trend. So he's basically just following that with indicators that he see. And you see it's a very clear winner that we are getting here now. And just like that, he stopped automatically because we did set our profit target of $900. So that is basically how the bot is working. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And make sure you also like this video. So with that, have an amazing day.